let's take a look at the differences between the different types of feathers that makes up a bird's plumage. Take a look at this hawk and her chicks. The chicks have down feathers that keep the bird warm. Down feathers. Again, down feathers. The mother has wing feathers that help the bird to fly. Wing feathers. The mother also has tail feathers. Tail feathers. And tail feathers help the bird steer while flying. She also has body feathers. Body feathers that will keep the bird warm and dry and help it attract a male. If you had to hold this baby swan in your hands, you will find that it feels very soft and fluffy. What you would be touching will be the down feathers of the little swan. The down feathers lie next to the bird's skin to keep it warm. Some baby birds are covered in down feathers as soon as they hatch. Body feathers. Now the body feathers lie on top of the down feathers and also help keep the bird warm. The body feathers of different birds have different shapes and colors. Look at this beautiful male golden pheasant. It has very brightly colored body feathers. Some feathers, like the ptarmigan, have body feathers that match the color of the bird's surroundings. What do we call this? This is called camouflage, and it helps the bird hide from its enemies. In the summertime, this ptarmigan is brown so that it can blend in with the rocks. But in the winter, the ptarmigan's feathers are white so that it can actually hide in the snow. Tail feathers. Different birds have tail feathers that are different sizes. Some birds have hardly any tail, while others have long tails. Most birds use their tail feathers to steer while flying. But some birds also use their tail feathers to balance. An example of this is the kingfisher. The kingfisher uses its tail feathers to help it keep its balance. Some male birds have long, brightly colored tail feathers. These feathers are used to attract a mate. An example would be the blue peacock, who displays its tail feathers when it is attracting a mate. Wing feathers. The wing or flight feathers are the most important feathers. These feathers help a bird fly. Different birds have different shapes and sizes of wing feathers. The wing feathers of an owl have a fringe on one side, which helps the owl fly very quietly so that it can sneak up on mice and rats. Take a look at the wing feathers of a barn owl.